Have you ever felt like life is out of control? That your emotions take over and the chaos around you steals your peace? What if I told you there's an ancient philosophy that can change that? A way to live with wisdom, purpose, and serenity, no matter the circumstances. Welcome to Stoicism, the art of living fully. Today, in just 7 minutes, you'll discover how this philosophy can transform your life. Stoicism began over 2,000 years ago, founded by Zeno of Citium, a Greek merchant who, after a shipwreck, found profound answers in philosophy. Later, it flourished in Rome, influencing great thinkers. Seneca, advisor to the emperor, believed that a virtuous life was the greatest wealth. Epictetus, a former slave, showed that true freedom lies in mastering the mind. And Marcus Aurelius, the philosopher-emperor, immortalized his teachings in Meditations, a timeless guide to resilience and leadership. At the heart of Stoicism are 3 foundational pillars. First, virtues. Courage, justice, wisdom, and temperance are what truly matter. These values are the compass for a meaningful life. Second, control over emotions. For the Stoics, it's not what happens that affects us, but how we react. Imagine the strength of facing challenges with calm and clarity. And third, focus on what you can control. Life is full of uncertainties, but fighting against what we cannot change is futile. Accepting what's beyond our control frees us to act where we can truly make a difference. So, how does this apply to today's world? Think about heavy traffic. You can choose to complain or use it as a moment for reflection. At work, when a problem arises, ask yourself, can I change this? If the answer is yes, take action. If not, accept it with serenity. Stoicism is a practical tool to maintain balance amidst the chaos of modern life. As Seneca said, life is not short, we waste it. Epictetus reminds us, it's not things that disturb us but our judgments about them. And Marcus Aurelius reinforces, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Stoicism isn't about being perfect, it's about being better day by day. Embracing this philosophy is starting a journey of self-mastery, purpose, and inner peace. So why not take the first step? Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a comment and share how you'd apply Stoicism in your life today. And remember, you have the power to transform your life, starting now. See you in the next video.